I think everybody's they know the musical note, but few people they know how to put together. Hi, my name is Beppe Cornacchia. I'm the owner over here at the Applausi restaurant in Old Greenwich. After many years being in Italy and being in this industry, you bring everything over here to share community. 80% of the ingredients, they came from Italy. So we have a many provider and we can find anything that we need for our dishes. Well, the community does not influence the food. I try to influence the community. We do the really authentic Italian food. The community, they come to us, they appreciate our dishes and our ambience, you know, everything. Bring everybody's in and they will love our place.
Awesome.